How to cancel Farlight 84 account deletion. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are trying to cancel a Farlight 84 account deletion request before the account is permanently deleted, firstly, go ahead and open up the Farlight 84 game or application and make sure that you are prior to the cooling off period. If your cooling off period has been expired, then you will not be able to cancel the deletion. So if you are yet to reach the cooling off period, then you will see this activate account option right after you open the game. Now click on that and then you'll be able to cancel your account deletion right away. So that is how you can easily cancel your account deletion in Farlight 84. So now the deletion has been cancelled and you can start playing the game again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.